everyone, welcome to LOPO's channel. Here is Daisy again. It's glad to see you again in today's video. Today, I will talk about the Christmas ornaments. Now it's time to prepare your Christmas home decoration. Our ornaments have three types of materials: MDF, aluminium, and ceramic. As you can see, we have many shapes for you, like stars, heart, round, and snowflakes, irregular shape, etc. They are light in weight and have a clear printing effect. Get them and decorate your Christmas tree. Okay, let's go for the design part. You must have a template before you start designing. For the templates, I make them 3 mm wider than their recommended printing area for better display effect. Next, based on these templates, let's talk about what kind of design will be suitable for it. You can see some of them are not easy to design. Here are some design tips I would like to share with you. First, if you want to put text or portrait in it, you need to make sure they are in the safety area, the orange area. Otherwise, your design will be partially missing. Second, you can see that there is a hole on the top for a rope, so your important elements are far from this hole will be better. Otherwise, your prints will unfortunately become like this. Okay, that's all for today's video. This is Daisy from LOPO, and hope today's video is helpful for you. If you have any questions like templates, designs, and contents, please feel free to contact our sales or leave your message at below or subscribe our channel. You will always get reply from us. Join us, let's make life memorable!